Everyone's talking about ChatGPT, Claude, and all these premium AI tools. But what if I told you there's a completely free agentic AI already sitting inside your code editor? Meet Blackbox AI. Blackbox integrates seamlessly into editors like VS Code. No browser tabs, no API keys, no endless switching. It chats, writes functions, explains errors, and even helps refactor your code, all from within the same workspace you're already using. But here's what makes it different. Blackbox isn't just another autocomplete tool or code suggestion model. It's agentic. That means it doesn't just respond, it acts. You can give it goals like refactor my backend, build a login system with authentication, or connect this API and show me the results. And instead of just generating code snippets, Blackbox actually plans and executes the steps, updating multiple files intelligently, just like a real developer would. It reads context across your entire project, understands file relationships, and edits with precision, line by line, function by function. You can literally watch it reason through your code as it works. And the best part, it's free. No monthly fees, no hidden paywalls. Just install the VS Code extension, sign in, and you're ready to go. You'll have instant access to a smart, adaptive, agentic AI without spending a single dollar. For students, indie developers, or anyone building passion projects, this changes everything. Because now, AI isn't just assisting you. It's building with you. You don't have to copy, paste, or jump between apps. You can talk to your code directly, ask for explanations, request improvements, and watch as Blackbox transforms your workflow. It's like pairing with a teammate who never sleeps, never complains, and keeps learning with every file you open. So, before you spend money on another coding assistant, try the one that's already sitting in your IDE. Blackbox AI, the free agentic AI that builds with you. Because the future of coding isn't about replacing developers, it's about empowering them.